Welcome everybody. I'm Larry the Pen Bug Guy. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen. And before we get started, my little buddy wants to say hello. So he's digging it. So he's got to have his 2 cents worth. Welcome to another unpackaging. Cool. Christmas all over again. Yes, Santa has come. Santa has gone. It's in this package that I'm all hipped up about, because this is my first. Here we go, and I'll explain to you more in depth in a minute. Let me make sure that this is what I think it is, and it is. Wow, wow, double wow. Let's see. Interesting. So, let me see what this says, and then I'll get to the revealing of the instrument. Okay, and I thank you very much. Now, this one here is my first gold nib. So I am excited about that. So here we go. Nice, beautiful pen case. It's got a little bit of wear there, but that's okay. Beautiful, hard pen case with that leather look. And the pen that I will be revealing is not in there. So, hopefully, it'll be in here. So now it's all like, okay, where's the pen? Why isn't it in there? Here we go. Because this is a cool pen. It really is. And it came with a bottle of 80% Visconti green ink, and I've been wanting to try this for some time. And here is the pen, carefully wrapped, secure so that it won't get injured. Beautiful Van Gogh. This is the 14K medium nib. But this nib is a flex nib. I'm sorry, this is a 14K fine nib. Flex nib. This is one of the Visconti back in the day Go Flex nibs. So I'm kind of anxious to try the pen out. I like the color. It's a nice, settled color. Nothing flashy. But I was going for the nib because I've never owned a 14K Go Flex Visconti nib before. So here's one right there. Came in this nice box with the ink. And I'll be inking that up soon. So yes, I am excited! In fact, that is the color of the ink. So I'm really excited to try all this out. Wow, that is too cool. So, she did a great job in packing. So, and this is in mint condition. Very, just slightly been used. And it's the Van Gogh semi-transparent cream-colored fountain pen 14K nib. Wow. And I am excited about it. Now, we'll do the unboxing. I'll just go right into that. What do you say, Mr. Announcer? He shakes his head like that. So, Mr. Announcer is right behind that camcorder, and he's holding it up. See, waving his hand, look hello. So, everybody say hi to Mr. Announcer. Now, Mr. Announcer, say hello. See, he said hello. You can say hello, Mr. Announcer.
Hello.
Thank you. See there? He's very shy. Very shy. Yes. Here we go, folks. As I rip the box open to get into it, and I'll cut my fingers off. All right. Now we're getting to it. All righty. This is how it comes. Let's see what's in this little jewel. Larry, ta-da! And here it is, folks. This is what I've been waiting for. This came from Pen Chalet. I had this pre-ordered and I've been waiting for this pen from Pen Chalet. Thank you, Ron, for getting me this pen to me. And I will read this later. But here is the pen I've been waiting for some time. So let's unbox it. It comes in a nice box. Aurora. And this is the Flex nib. All right. So now the pen box just flap goes down and we'll take out the pen. A very nice box. Kind of a leatherish feel. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Yeah, looks like it.
And it has Aurora right here in front. Nice black one. So first peek, this is what it looks like. And we can unveil this treasure together. The Aurora. And here we go. Comes nicely secured in the bed. This is that little jewel everybody's been talking about. They came out with the 88 last year with a limited edition, so many of them. And I think there's about, I don't know, 330. I'm not sure how many of the pens. And let's see what this is on the barrel. I'm looking for a number. But it has the Aurora markings. Really a cool pen. And I'll be doing the review soon. So let's open it up and look at this nib. I like that ink window. It does post. And here is where all of the magic starts. 14K. This is the Flex nib. And I cannot wait to dig into this pen. Wow. My favorite color, the dark blue. Nice looking pen. Lays on this nice secure bed. And with your instruction booklets and all that good jazz. And I do like it says here on the little, what do you want to call this, Mr. Announcer?
It's an embossed label, I guess.
Yeah, and it says, I can't read upside down. Go ahead.
Well, it's
in Italian.
Yeah, Panino Ordo Massiccio, 14 karat solid gold nib.
There you go. I just can't, I'm not trained yet to read upside down. And I'll let you read, I think that, I don't know if you can or not. I'll let you read, that's in English.
Okay, Officina della Scrittura celebrates and promotes the value of men's sign. An over 2,500 meters exhibition path through the history of one of the most surprising inventions of mankind. Come to discover the sign of a dream.
Wow. All right. Beautiful pen, which has the Aurora on the band, center of the band. It's just really nice detail in Italy. In fact, it looks better in the hand than it did in the picture. Now I'll give you the number. And I was correct. 330 of them, they're made. That's it. And I am number 82. Correct? 82 of 330.
Yes.
Yay! Rock on! Yes. You know, when I saw that, I was debating yay or nay. And I've heard all that talk about the 88. And I actually got to play with the 88, thanks to Gary from the Aurora at the Fountain Pen Show. The
Booth.
the distributor. He had his booth set up out there, and he let me write with it. And I just fell in love with it. It was like magic. It was like this nib was superb. I mean, it was like, so I had to have this pen. You know that feeling? You have to have it, and you already have pens, but you have to have this one. And so on the next pen, you have to have that, like this pen. I had to have it. Visconti 14K Gold Flex nib. And a fine nib, for me, is okay because if I'm correct, it should have that nice wetness, juiciness going on with that nib and flexing going on. So I'm excited. Wow. What a haul today. Whoa. Two fabulous beauties. Oh, thank you, Lord. I'm in pen heaven. Well, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching me. Yes, I'm excited. I'm pumped up. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to write. God bless each and every one of you. Peace. Be safe. And leave your comments below. Are you feeling it? Can you feel it? Later, folks. Bye.